Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to recover a Facebook account that's been suspended for 180 days. This is a common problem, and if you're seeing that countdown warning inside your account, I'll show you exactly what to do. First, let's understand why this happens. If Facebook detects a violation of its community guidelines, they can temporarily suspend or disable your account. The important part is you still have a chance to appeal the decision before the 180 days run out. When you log into a suspended account, you'll usually see a message that says something like 180 days left to disagree or will permanently disable your account. At the bottom of that screen, there should be a button that says disagree with decision. Click the disagree with decision button. This will redirect you to an appeal form. Here, explain clearly why you believe the suspension was a mistake. If you didn't violate any rules, state that politely. And if you have proof, like screenshots or evidence of account misuse by someone else, include that too. After submitting your appeal, Facebook will review your case. If your account is restored, you'll usually get an email, or the next time you log in, you'll see a message that your account has been re-enabled. Now, here's the critical part. If you don't take action within 180 days, Facebook will permanently disable your account. After that, the disagree with decision button disappears and you won't be able to appeal anymore. To avoid future suspensions, make sure you follow Facebook's guidelines closely. Don't use fake names, avoid posting restricted content, and secure your account with two-factor authentication so nobody else can misuse it. And that's it. To recover your suspended Facebook account, log in, click Disagree with Decision, explain your case, and appeal before the 180-day deadline. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.